The LaserRange-Master Gi8 Pro from Laserliner. The robust housing of the Gi8 is protected against dust and water. The lithium-ion battery of the Gi8, charged via USB-C, guarantees long operation every time it's used. The 18 functions make it an absolute multi-talent. The wide measuring range of 80 meters combined with the easily visible green laser measurement point guarantees the maximum flexibility. Indirect height measurement in hard-to-reach locations is a special feature of the Gi8. Use a tripod to determine the height of an external wall using angle function, for example. Wall areas can also be added or subtracted with the Gi8. Material quantities can thus be determined very easily in advance. For example, window areas can be deducted from the calculated area with the minus button. This laser rangefinder has even more to offer. For example, a measured value log or a tripping timer to prevent incorrect measured values due to vibrations or movements. The measuring planes can be set in 3 steps: tripod at the front and the back of the device. The device can be aligned perfectly with the digital spirit level. The min-max function is just one of many features included in the Gi8. Optimum project documentation. Transfer your data using a digital connection on your smartphone. LaserRange-Master Gi8 Pro.